Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and confirming whether you're in the desktop app or the web app because the menus differ. Once confirmed, go straight to File, then Options for Desktop. For web, click the gear and choose View All Outlook settings. Make sure calendar settings are visible so you can find the time zone area. This step matters because choosing the correct interface directs you to the exact control panel where time zone preferences live and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. Now select the primary time zone from the drop-down. This sets the reference for new events and meeting times. If you regularly coordinate with another region, enable a secondary time zone to display both. This helps avoid errors when scheduling. Next, verify start and end-of-day times and whether daylight saving adjustments are toggled on. These affect recurring meetings. Make sure to click Save or OK after adjustments, because changes won't apply until you confirm them and exit the Settings panel. Finish by saving settings and restarting Outlook or refreshing the web page. This forces the calendar to re-render with the new time zone. Once restarted, scan a few existing events to confirm times didn't shift unexpectedly. Update any meetings that moved. If things still look wrong, check your computer or mobile device operating system time zone and your Microsoft account settings. Outlook can inherit those. If necessary, sign out and sign back in to sync account-level time zone values and resolve lingering inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.